Yes, sir. You already know that your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go and jump right into it. You know, we don't like to waste nobody time. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Today we'll be touching base on SOS Limited. That's ticker symbol SOS. So let's go ahead and look at it, y'all. On Friday, we closed at $4.33. We was down 3.9%. We opened at 421. The high was 460. The low was 411. The 52-week high was 1588. The 52-week low was 91 cents. So if we look, I told y'all on the day-to-day chart from when we traded on Friday, we had a nice push down during the market open, and then we spiked up and went green, touching $4.60, and then we pushed right back down to the red. But when we came back down at around lunchtime, and then lunchtime is usually when the stock sells off, for this thing to have a nice support around 431, that's we showing right around 430, 431, we had hit that point about about 6 times from lunch all the way to close, and we didn't dip below 430. So this thing is showing a strong support at 430. If we dip under 430, we could go to the low fours. But I told y'all this thing already hit the low fours, even though I projected this thing, if we pull back any, to hit this previous resistance around the high threes, 397, 390, before we see a huge pushback up. Because this thing is going to want to drop and shake the tree and scare a lot of people out before it rip up. The stock market ain't easy. It ain't just going to reward you and not take no bruise, take no pain before you get rewarded. So that's how they, that's how they get you. You got to take. I done been in positions where I'm down, not saying don't hold our positions when you down, just some quick knowledge. I done been down 500, 1,000 to start, and then it turn around, I'm up 4 or 5,000. Like I took pain, I took that bruise to be down 1,000 to gain 5,000. So anyways, let's continue to look at SOS. We got a resistance right around $4.40. So tomorrow, if this thing open up, we get above 440, we can most definitely see a push back to green and retesting at 460. We'll blow through 460 and go back to the fives. And then we got a resistance around 611, a short-term resistance around 611 we had to blow through, and then 817. That's when we crack that smile, and because the short sellers is going to be scared as hell once it get at 817. Because once it get through 817, I tell y'all this thing is going to fly straight to double digits around the high 10, $10.90, $11, $13. So be looking out for that strong resistance point. And also another thing, let's talk about Bitcoin, because I told y'all, even though SOS is being manipulated and being drawn behind how Mara and Wright then had their runs and then pulled back and had their runs again, and SOS only ran one time, and after that it done just been lagging behind. So but it's still a simply play to Bitcoin. Like it's still going to move with them, even though it's not really showing it like that just yet. But over time, SOS is going to move with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin increases in value over time, SOS will do the same. Bitcoin drop, it's going to drop. So let's look at Bitcoin, y'all. I told y'all Bitcoin, I warned y'all, Bitcoin could drop 10, 15, 20,000 in one day, 30,000, because it's 3 times above its all-time high. So let's look at it. On April the 17th, right, 30 minutes before midnight, Bitcoin dropped all the way down to $51,000 per coin. And no, its previous all-time high was 64,000, so it basically dropped $14,000 per coin. And I told y'all it could drop 15, 20, 30,000 in one single day. And what? It did that in the blink of an eye. But the key here is, if we look back, it dropped down to 51,000. And if we look back on March 25th, Bitcoin had a nice drop down to 50K as well. So that's showing a strong support at $50,000. Bitcoin is holding up almost what it is 2.5 times at 50K. It's 2.5 times above its all-time high in 2018. It's holding above those levels very, very well. So that's a great sign. And then this another thing to consider, y'all. Check this out. When Bitcoin fell down to $51,000 on April the 17th, around 30 minutes before midnight, it also recovered quickly as hell. It recovered and it fell to 50,000 and jumped back up to 57,000, 56,600. That's right at 57K. Jumped right back up in less than 20 minutes. 20 minutes is right back. So that just showed the power and how strong people is eating up them dips. So regardless, this thing can pull all the way back to 30K, 20K. People is going to love it and eat the hell up out of the dips. Because I always remember Bitcoin only got 21 million Bitcoins that's able to be mined. But like Dogecoin, they mining 10,000 Dogecoin per day. So Bitcoin is going to be rare over time. You're not going to want to sell that. So this thing is most definitely going to continue to rise over time. We just got to hold on for the volatile. It's like a roller coaster. So that's all I really got for y'all on that right there. And also, let me show y'all my position before we go. So y'all let y'all know I'm in on this with y'all always, forever. So let's check it out. We got a total cost of $3,200. Our average price is $4.95. The last price is $4.33. We down $408 right now. So that's all I really got for y'all this video. You already know, if you like these type of updates, these type of predictions, all that good stuff, consider joining the family. We post here every single day. It's your boy B Hayes. We out, and I love y'all. God bless.